Hi, Dr. Heather here from Wellspring Chiropractic Lifestyle Center. Today we're talking about brain inflammation, a serious concern. It's ones that are related to Alzheimer's, to autism, possibly Parkinson's, but also brain inflammation can come from traumatic brain injuries, concussions, second concussion syndrome. So in these scenarios, something is happening where there is an inflammatory response that persists. Classically, with a concussion, we know there's a known trauma that initiates that initial inflammatory response, but it should resolve. It should resolve as an acute inflammatory response that then heals. So something gets in the way when it persists, and that's what we need to look at. The same thing when we see things like autism and Alzheimer's, something is causing a persistent inflammation in the brain. When we look at the case of concussion, sometimes the use of NSAIDs, which are medications designed to drop inflammation, because they are addressing that acute pathway but not allowing the body to resolve it, it actually can contribute to persistent inflammation in the brain. Then we can look at the case of these autism and Alzheimer's, those other chronic brain inflammation states. We know that aluminum is a factor with these. So when aluminum gets into the body, it can actually cause a leaky gut, and then that can also cause leaky brain. We know that if aluminum is injected into the body, the macrophages, the immune system cells, will actually go right after it and then transport it, carry it through the body right up to the brain where it deposits it. And that's where it persists, causing a chronic inflammatory state. So we need to look at what these sources are of these heavy metals, how they're getting into our bodies. Many people don't realize that aluminum adjuvants are used in vaccines, and that may be one of the ways that this aluminum is getting into the body. So I hope that you have found that this is helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends and family, and I look forward to sharing more with you again soon.